Belt and One Road in China. Our company covers an area of 6,478 square meters and has 112 employees, with perfect process and advanced equipment, cutting machine, punching machine, die casting machine, polishing machine, tapping machine, spraying machine, test machine and other equipment. We warmly welcome you to visit our factory. We are specialized in research and development, and manufacture of various locks and related security system and products. Our main products include door locks, smart locks, hotel locks, residential locks, cabinet lock, door handles, door hardware, access control systems, surveillance products and other related security products. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new and advanced products to meet different requirements. We also welcome OEM and ODM projects. We focus on professional production, pay attention to quality of products and strict inspection process, research and create more high-quality products. Our products can withstand market tests, has won many domestic patents and authoritative certification including CE, ISO. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us, for long-term win-win.